Hey guys, what's up? In today's video we're gonna talk about the new brokers that are out. As you can see over here, globalcryptoapp, Trade Ltd, 24 option and investors. We also talk about my withdrawal, which I'm gonna show on the screen now, and then we're gonna do just a little bit of live trading with RSI indicators. Stay tuned and enjoy. So there we go, this is the global crypto app. Obviously we're just gonna do some live trading as always. How are you doing, guys? Leave a comment down below. I feel good today and hyped up. So right, I'm gonna show you my broker globalcryptoapp at the moment. So there we go, this is my live account. As you can see, the balance is totally different as it was before. So I've withdrawn my money. I've withdrawn 10 grand and I have 2 trades open, USD JPY and AUD JPY. We're gonna be obviously waiting for the withdrawal. It probably takes like 5 to 7 days. So after that, gonna make a processing video of the withdrawal and show you in my bank account of the money being there and proving it withdraws money. Also, there's 2 new brokers, as I said, 24 options. So if you couldn't join, you will definitely be able to join with the 24 option broker. It's a reputable broker. It's been around for ages, so you should join. All the links are down in the description below. Right, the first thing I'm gonna do is obviously place a trade, and I've been looking at this GBP JPY trade. It's a buying signal. And why is it a buying signal? Well, this is easy. Let's just close this ad off. Let's just hide this for now. Right, RSI. How do you trade RSI? Well, it's super easy. RSI, as you can see, if it's in the bottom, it means we're gonna buy. If it's in the top, it means it's sell. Because now it's been oversold. As you can see over here, it's out of the boundaries, out of this pink little zone. So if the line is out of the boundaries, it means the price is now oversold. And if it's vice versa over the top, it means it's overbought and then we want to sell it. And the best way to do it, to find out the best percentages to actually be profitable, to have a look at what's happening in all time frames. So if it's currently oversold, as we can see over here on the daily, we have to look in the 4 hourly. We look at the 4 hourly and it's the same situation. It's oversold. We have to buy it. And we look over here in the hourly. As you can see, it's also at the end, which is pretty good. That's pretty much how accurate we want it to be. Obviously, if it was around here, this level where it shows a clear breakage of the boundary, it's even better. But honestly, this is pretty good. That's why this GBP JPY trade is amazing. And obviously, if we just look over here, it's touching this support zone over here. Obviously, it had a massive wick, but this was because of news. And more than likely, as you can see, it's bounced back here, and it's probably gonna bounce back to the buying direction again. So that's why this trade is amazing, and Global Crypto App was showing it. Now I missed out because I was explaining it, but honestly, GBP JPY trade, if you see it today on the daily charts, you can place this trade and it's probably going to be profitable. But make sure to put your stop loss and take profit levels accordingly to your cash balance that you have. If you have a smaller one, make sure to have maybe stop loss, I don't want to say lower than 50, because you don't want to get kicked out from the market too quickly, but you know, have it 50, you know, I sell, and maybe 50 take profit as well, and you should be able to profit from this trade. I can assure you on that. Obviously, Global Crypto App was showing this trade. I missed out because I didn't place it. Unfortunate for me. However, I'm pretty sure that the trade is gonna come back and it's gonna show again. So let's just have a look at other trades. Now let's have a look at USD JPY, for example. This trade we wouldn't place. Why? Let's have a look in RSI. As you can see, let me just remove this little trend line that I was drawing. Anyway, as you can see, the RSI over here is not overbought and not oversold on the daily. It's just kind of okay, it's nearly, but it's the daily time frame. That's what we're looking for, where to enter the trade. So we want the daily time frame to be out of the boundaries all the time. If it's a little bit lower time frame, as we discussed on the other trade, like on the hourly chart, it's okay as long as like the daily and 4 hourly are both out of the line. So obviously the daily was not out of the line. 4 hourly, as you can see, is nearly in the middle, and 1 hourly, it's nearly going out of the line. Hourly time frame is just not accurate enough for us to be profitable. That's why we need the RSI to be out of the boundaries, like here or here, where it's actually being oversold so we can buy it, or overbought so we can sell it, you know, and that's what RSI is. That's how you find valuable trades. So obviously I suggest you guys to use RSI or Bollinger Bands, or check out my other videos. I have a ton of videos of strategies, but honestly these are the ways to do it. You know, if you money manage correctly all your trades, you know, don't over trade too much, trade 1 or 2 trades with 250 balance, you're gonna be making a lot of money. I can assure you in this, because that's how you use Global Crypto App. Obviously you can just use it without any indicators or analysis whatsoever, because that's my first 5 videos. I prove it to you guys that I started with 250 euros and I got the balance up to like 2 grand or something, and then I started analyzing and it went even higher. But honestly, it's like 65% success rate without any analysis, and if you analyze like me a little bit or use some indicators, is above 70, 75, maybe 80 at times, you know. So we have GBP JPY over here. It's a buy signal at the moment. Let's just place this trade real quick. 1 lot size over here, and let's place it. As I said, guys, Global Crypto App has found the GBP JPY trade. I saw it quickly, so I thought, damn it, you know, I will stop talking and just place this trade, because I believe it's really good. As you can see, the GBP JPY trade, this is the trade. As you can see, it's oversold at the moment on every time frame. As you can see, this is daily, 4 hourly, and hourly is nearly getting oversold as well, which is pretty good, and we want to actually buy it now. So Global Crypto App, all the trade is already set up. As you can see, a buy, stop loss, take profit, everything's set up. All I need to do is just click invest, but I will just change the stop loss a little bit, maybe to a little bit smaller one. Let's do 50 and 100. Let's do 100. Let's do 100 take profit, because I believe in this trade. It's probably gonna bounce back, and if it does, it's probably gonna go to a nice long position over here. Let's just calculate trades. As you can see, this is the pip values. 100, oh yeah, 100 pips is definitely where it's gonna go. If it's gonna turn around, it's probably gonna go back to this level over here, which was the previous support, which obviously was broken and now became resistance, which is obviously what we're looking for. So the pullback is gonna go back to this level over here, which is the 100 pip mark, and we're gonna be hopefully profiting 100 pips. So very easy to do. Invest, order successful, there we go. It's obviously going to be in the minus the first time we place the trade because of the spread difference the brokers have, but do not worry about that, guys, because once it starts moving in your direction, you're going to be definitely profitable, I can assure you that. And because you analyzed it with RSI, the percentage of you being more profitable, it even skyrockets even higher. Honestly, that's how simple and easy it is to trade and make money. Obviously you're going to be using other brokers, but Globalix is not the best broker, and I can show you probably the best broker at the moment, which is his 24 option or investors, which I love using, by the way. I used them in the past other softwares. They're great brokers, always withdraw money, no problems with the KYC documents or know your customer documents. And yeah, I suggest you sign up. So let's just close this for now, and at some point in the future I'm probably gonna switch to 24 option or investors, you know, because you guys requested it. You know, I saw some comments there saying, will you change brokers, because I don't know how to sign up. So I might do that, you know, for you guys. If you obviously like this video, and comment down below if you like me to do that, and I'm gonna personally invest in any of the brokers you want me to, and trade on Global Crypto App and see what's up and how we can improve your performance as well. So let's maybe place a few more trades. Euro JPY, so well, it's saying it's a sell at the moment, and let's just have a look. Euro JPY, sell, it could be a sell obviously if we just don't look at RSI. But if you look at RSI, it's probably nearly gonna be a buy. And I see why RSI thinks that, because it's near the support zone over here, which is probably going to be a bounce back to the upwards direction. However, Global Crypto App still thinks it's a sell, but I believe it's because it's still going to move in the sell direction for some time, you know, for like 50 pips or something. That's why it's, you know, showing this trade to make money. However, if you want to analyze and use Global Crypto App, don't place every trade. You know, you can place specific trades that you like, you know, and you analyze. Just take some time, guys, to analyze, and you will be profitable. It does not take that long to learn trading, honestly. Yes, if you want to be an expert and know everything, it takes years. However, if you use Global Crypto App as your helper and a guide, honestly, it cuts the time so much. You can learn it in days, honestly. Just watch my videos, you know, analyze them, and you will be fine. So Global Crypto App, let's just have a look at some trades. GBP JPY, obviously we placed that trade. NZD-USD. So interesting looking at NZD-USD. Although RSI is not really oversold yet, as you can see on the daily time frame, I still like this trade and I might place it because I have this support marked over here. And as you can see, my support worked. Looking at this candle, it touched here. Obviously, it broke through a little bit from my support, but that's fine, you know, because the support is not really a line through. It's always a zone, so it might go a little bit up or down. That's why you have your biggest stop loss level. However, as you can see, it's bouncing back at the moment, and I believe it will bounce back because of the hard momentum push down. It's probably gonna have some kind of pullback to this level at least. So NZD-USD is a great trade, although RSI is not oversold. So if you're trading on indicators, just don't trade this trade, you know. But if you know a little bit of support and resistance, which I have a guide as well how to trade on it, you can find it on my channel. You can you know, learn and then place these trades like me. So GlobalX, one lot size, NZD-USD. And through talking what happened, I missed the trade again. So yeah, this is what happens, you know, when I trade and film, you know. Usually, obviously, I never miss them. I'm kind of quick, you know. I just go, it takes me 10 to 15 seconds to place trades because I already know what I'm going to do. I just check them, you know, quickly. And once I try to explain things, I miss trades. So it's unfortunate for me. So I missed that one trade. I really thought it was a good one. Let's have a look at this AUD-USD trade real quick. As you can see, AUD-USD at the moment is on this wedge pattern, and I've drawn these lines, you know, support and resistance lines from ages ago. And as you can see, it's bounced back here, it's bounced back here. It's crazy, you know. The drawings that I did months ago, they're still there, you know, and it's insane. So it's bouncing back now at the moment, and it's probably gonna be a buying signal. So I'm not sure why AUD-USD is a sell over here. It could be a sell because it's not yet overbought on the daily, but it's not going to be a hard sell, and it's probably going to change directions very quickly because on the 4-hourly, as you can see, it's already oversold and it's getting bought back and it's moving to the upwards direction. So obviously it's not the best trade to place on AUD-USD at the moment. And probably globalcryptoapp in 5 minutes time will change this direction. That's why I tell you guys to analyze, because sometimes some trades will change like that, you know. So sometimes it's going to be a buy and then boom, it's a sell signal because the markets are moving, and you know, the globalcryptoapp is analyzing and thinking of the trade. So sometimes you need to analyze to just reassure yourself that the trade that you're placing is not going to change to a sell direction and you place the buy signal. That's why you need to do it. So speak of the devil, AUD-USD is now a buy signal, so let's just quickly place it. And there we go, we placed the trade. So yet again, where everything's already set up, AUD-USD, all we need to do is just click invest, but I don't like the take profit level. I think it's way too high and it's gonna take around a week to close, 136 pips. If no news is gonna come out, it's gonna take a while for it to close. So let's just do 80 on this one and let's do 50 or stop loss on this one. Just because he hasn't been oversold yet on the daily time frame, as you can see on the RSI, he hasn't been oversold yet. So I'm just risking a little bit more. That's why my trade, you know, maybe even make it 75 pips, take profit, and stop loss 50 pips. Yeah, that makes sense. And yeah, let's just click invest. AUD-USD is now invested, and as you can see, it's gonna be in the minus first time because of the spread difference. As always, I tell you guys in every video. And maybe let's have a look at some other trades, but I don't feel like trading anymore. It's been 4 trades at the moment. Let's just have a look over here. So the 2 trades are doing pretty well. Obviously, it's like 695 euros in profit. These ones gonna probably turn in profit. I definitely believe in the GBP JPY one at least, but obviously it's gonna be contradicting because all these 2 pairs on GBP JPY are a sell and GBP JPY is a buy on here. So I might have to look at these ones because of the correlation. I might need to, you know, kind of close one off and then leave one and then close the other one off. I have talked about it in the past, so if you haven't been watching my videos, make sure to do that because it's kind of important as well. I'm not gonna go into this topic in this video. AUD-USD, I believe in this trade as well. It's probably gonna be in the profit very soon. And yeah, you know, my equity is at the moment 1,600. And once I get the 10k withdrawal, I might withdraw all my money and then invest in 24 option or investors. I'm not sure which broker. Just comment down below which broker you want to see and I'll do that. And this was Elders from Top Trading Reviews. I hope you enjoy my videos. Make sure to smash that like button, comment down below if you don't understand something, and if you want to connect with me, join my all social medias. All the links are down in the description below. Take care, guys. Have a nice day. Love you guys. Goodbye.